Hello, superstars. How are you? Today, you're going to learn 10 new sight words. You're going to say, spell, and use them in sentences. Are you ready? Follow my lead and repeat after me. Now let's spell it together. A-M. Good job. Now let's use it in a sentence. I am happy. Good job. Now let's move on to the next word. Big. Say after me. Big. B-I-G. Big. Now let's use it in a sentence. This is a big apple. Good job. Now let's move on to the next word. Have. 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 H-A-V-E. Have. I have a hat. You're doing amazing. Keep repeating after me. Into. 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 I-N-T-O. Into. Now let's use it in a sentence. Put it into the bag. And let's move on to the next word. Over. 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 O-V-E-R. Over. Now let's use it in a sentence. The bird flies over the garden. Sam. Sam. S-O-M-E. Sam. Now, let's use it in a sentence. We picked some berries. This. 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 T-H-I-S. This. Now let's use it in a sentence. This is a cat. Good job. Now let's move on to the next word. What? 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 WHAT. What? Now let's use it in a sentence. What is your name? Eat. 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 E-A-T. Eat. Now let's use it in a sentence. I eat apples every day. My. My. Now let's spell it together. My. M-Y. My. Now let's use it in a sentence. This is my cat. Good job, superstars. You did amazing. Now let's revise the words we learned today. Say each word after me. Are you ready? Am. Big. Eat. Into. Have. This. Some. Over. What? And my. Good job, superstars. You did amazing. You were able to read 10 sight words today. That is so amazing. That is all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.